What is functional strength training? We all know that an injury can happen in the gym, but how many times have you heard about someone who got hurt while doing something that they love? Basically, functional strength training is a type of training that mimics the physiological demands of real-world activities. Resistance training and other functional exercises can help improve your mobility and strength. It can also help you become less prone to injury. According to a study, people's muscle mass and strength will gradually decrease between the ages of 30 and 80. This means that they can no longer perform everyday tasks. Contrary to popular belief, strength training is not limited to older adults. There is evidence that improving one's functional fitness level can help maintain a healthy lifestyle. A study conducted by researchers revealed that, after participating in a structured exercise program for 16 weeks, individuals with limited mobility could improve their functional ability. Resistance training for 12 weeks can improve the strength and explosive power of older women, researchers found. According to science, functional strength training is beneficial for everyone. Unfortunately, many people are not following through with it. If you want to improve your strength, do not start with lifting weights. Instead, start with these simple exercises that can be performed at home. There are a number of exercises you can do to strengthen your functional strength. Resistance bands, dumbbells, and medicine balls are commonly used for performing functional strength training. One of the best ways to build up strength in the lower body is through the powerful squat. This exercise works almost every muscle in your legs and helps build the necessary core strength.